Would you like to learn how to find the next 10x, 50x, 100x, or even 1000x crypto coins before the next bull market? Well, in today's video, we're going to be doing a full review of the #1 Crypto Gaming Launchpad and how to participate in their new initial game offerings. And a big shout out to the Seedify team for sponsoring today's video. Welcome to the YouTube channel. My name is Joe, and in 2021, I turned $10,000 into $250,000 in 1 week and reinvested that money to make more than $1.4 million. So make sure to smash up the like button, click the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to be notified every single day when I come out with a new video. They are very time sensitive, and you're not going to want to miss out. Also, please know that everything that I say is not financial advice, and these videos are for educational and inspirational purposes only. In full disclosure, we do own some of the cryptocurrencies that I will be speaking about in today's video. And if this video gets 5,000 likes within the first 24 hours, we will do a very special giveaway for our YouTube community. So let's smash up that like button and let's get started. If you would have been an early investor into new crypto gaming projects like Axie Infinity, Alluvia, Games for a Living, and even Gala Games, you could have made 10, 50, or even 100 times your money. That is the power of getting into new cryptocurrency projects and the right cryptocurrency projects very early. And in the rest of this video, I'm going to be teaching you all about the #1 crypto gaming platform, Seedify, and how they have had an average return ROI from IDO by Launchpad according to this year of over 131%. So make sure to stay all the way to the end of the video as I will be giving price predictions as well as actually how to participate in some of these new crypto launches. And with Bitcoin reaching $35,000 and beyond, the next bull market could be right around the horizon. But first off, what is Seedify? Seedify is an incubator and launchpad for blockchain games and gamers. Through the play to earn revolution, a completely new era is starting for the gaming industry. And it is said that the gaming industry is an over $200 billion industry. Now, previously, where games were just about having some fun, now gamers are starting to actually make money from the time spent in these games through earning in-game item NFTs as well as tokens. This has ushered a new wave of gamers and the new forms of benefits blockchain brings to the table in the form of transparency, ownership, incentive models, and NFTs are currently disrupting the evolution of games as we see it today. And the gaming industry just a few years ago peaked at 159.3 billion. This was with over 2.7 billion gamers all around the world. Now at Seedify, they provide curated initial game offerings, also known as IGOs, through their platform, supporting quality blockchain games reach, crowdsourced funding, as well as helping them with community building and marketing. Now, Seedify expects that blockchain gaming will bring millions of new users to blockchain, as well as finding new financial jobs, benefits, as well as many other adoptions as blockchain has increased dramatically. Now, in order to take part in Seedify's initial game offerings and get the new tokens before they list on major exchanges, there are a few steps that you need to understand. Now, before I actually teach you how to participate in these initial DEX offerings, I first need to teach you about their updated tier system. At the time of this recording, Seedify currently has a 9-tiered system with the following pool weights. Tier 1 is 1.2 weight, and this is lottery based, meaning that there is no guarantee of actually being able to participate in these new sales. Tier 2 is a 2 pool weight, and this is guaranteed, where Tier 3 is 5.5 pool weight is guaranteed, Tier 4 is 12, Tier 5 is 19, Tier 6 is 26, Tier 7 is 70, Tier 8 is 150, and Tier 9 is 325 pool weight. Now, in order to participate in Tier 1, you will need to hold and stake 250 SFUND tokens. Tier 2 will need 1,000 tokens. Tier 3 will need 2,500. Tier 4 will need 5,000. Tier 5 would need 75,000. Tier 6 will need 10,000. Tier 7 will need 25,000. Tier 8 will need 50,000. And Tier 9 will need over 100,000 SFUND tokens staked. Now, with this updated tier system, there are still bonus pool weights for increasing tiers, but it is not too drastic so that there is a more fair distribution according to everyone holding the SFUND token. This way, also some of the lowest tier participants can potentially participate in the system. Now, by also increasing your tier rate, there could potentially be added value benefits in the form of private rounds for Tier 6 and above, as well as Seed Club. And this is for Tier 9 to participate in seed rounds of some projects. Now, right now, at the time of this recording, one SFUND token is sitting at 83 cents, down from its all-time high of approximately $16 2 years ago, with a market cap of $48 million. This means the SFUND token is in the top 500 tokens of all cryptocurrency. Now, regarding the price of the SFUND token, it is performing quite well despite all of the market conditions. And the market cap being a $48 million market cap shows us that this cryptocurrency asset still has demand. And still, at the time of this recording, this cryptocurrency is down 94%, meaning each tier is significantly discounted from its all-time high. And with the support of the market as well as new upcoming gaming launches, Seedify anticipates gaining even more momentum into 2024 and beyond. They are also focusing exclusively on the crypto gaming concept again, going back to their roots as they started as a gaming-focused launchpad during the previous gaming bull run. And Seedify has also launched over 70 projects, raising more than $26 million, and Seedify's SFUND token reached a market cap of an all-time high of $350 million in the gaming bull market. But now let's discuss some of the all-time high prices, as well as the number of percentage gains and X's that some of these projects have done. Well, the number one performer from Seedify was Blocktopia with an ROI of 698x, followed by Crypto Meta of over 185x, Cryo War at 169x, Citus at over 100x, Tryhards at 71x, Spintop at 64x, Good Game Guild at over 55x, and many other cryptocurrency assets are still climbing the ranks in massive profits for investors. Now, this is how you can hit 50, 100, even 1,000 times your money with these new cryptocurrency projects, as they have very small market cap, as well as being very early to the projects. Through an incubator or launchpad like Seedify can really help you hit these multiples, and how it is truly possible for these things to happen. Remember, this is never a guarantee, and we are just showing you the previous all-time high ROI and data that has happened with these projects. And in other breaking news, the SFUND token is looking to be bridged to Ethereum and Arbitrum and getting listed on Uniswap and Camelot DEX. There's also going to be exclusive farming rewards for both DEXs, so make sure to check out @Seedify Fund over on X in order to learn even more information about these pools and news and updates. And regarding the price prediction, if Seedify were to go back to its all-time high from the time of this recording, that would be approximately a 15 or 20x from where the price is today. And if it were to go beyond those prices, this is where a 20 to 25x, if not even higher, is a possibility. And if you're able to participate in the right initial game offering, this is where hitting these 100 to 1000x numbers could potentially happen, as we have seen and proven in this video. But remember, these are never guarantees, so make sure to do your own research and not risk any more than you can ever afford to lose, as cryptocurrencies are very highly speculative assets. And if you want to know exactly how much it would cost in USD value in order to join some of these tiers, simply type in the price below. So if you wanted to participate in tier 1, which would cost 250 SFUND tokens, that would cost you approximately $209 at the time of this recording. But if you wanted to join the top tier, which is 100,000 tokens, that would cost you approximately $83,000. So why would anyone spend this amount of money to buy this cryptocurrency token and stake it? Well, the reason would be to get into new IDOs and IGOs, which in the last year, Seedify being the number one platform when it comes to new projects, is up over 131% for its 18 IDOs. This is the current ROI as an average for all of the projects. And if you were to invest, say, $5,000 to $10,000 in 18 projects at over 100% of your ROI, that would be profits of over $50,000 to $100,000, making the SFUND token potentially worth the risk reward. And if the price of the SFUND token also increases in price, this is where not only can you get into these new IDOs and IGOs and also make a nice return on your money potentially, but also you get the appreciation of the SFUND token. But remember, this is never a guarantee. As you can see, the chart has gone all the way to $16 only to crash all the way back down under $1 in the last bear market. So cryptocurrency assets like this are very volatile. But what's important to understand is that during the last bull cycle, when everyone wanted to get into new projects, this is exactly when the token reached its all-time high. And if there is ever a demand for new projects coming back in the bull market, Seedify being the number one platform, we could potentially see even more demand for the SFUND token. So now that you understand more about Seedify, its SFUND token, and what it is, how can you actually participate in these IGOs on Seedify? Well, currently there is a 3-step process to the pre-IGO, as well as a 3-step process on the IGO day, making this a 6-step process. First, you will need to purchase and hold SFUND tokens. Second, you will then need to complete their KYC process, which stands for Know Your Customer. Third, you will need to then stake your SFUND tokens. And fourth, you will need to check the whitelist and have the available BNB in your wallet for fees, as well as BUSD or other stable coins for purchase. This will depend upon the project, and it may be USDC or USDT. You will then need to connect your wallet to the Seedify.fund website, and then you'll be able to purchase your token. Now, participating in these new projects certainly comes with a high amount of risk, but also this is for more medium to advanced cryptocurrency users. If you would like to learn exactly step by step how to participate in these IGOs with Seedify, I have full dedicated lessons in my online course and program. In my course, the tutorial takes you through step by step all of the processes here on how to actually go about and participate in these pre-sales and IGOs, and even the exact steps on how to buy your tokens, as well as connecting your different wallets in order to confirm the transactions. In last bull market, many of my students made thousands thousands of dollars, one becoming a cryptocurrency millionaire in 6 months, another person ended up winning a car, and many of my students made hundreds of times their money in profit with these new pre-sales on IGOs. So if you're interested in learning about this, click the links down below and join us in VIP today. Now that you know even more about what Seedify is, how to actually participate in these new IGOs, I also wanted to share with you something that Seedify updated their policies with just a few months ago, called their refund policy. Now moving forward with new projects, you will notice that they have the following badges next to the project's name and logo. They have an unconditional refund for 7 days as well as an unconditional refund for 14 days. This guarantees that you can easily request a refund 7 to 14 days of the project listing in case you haven't claimed your tokens before. Now if you receive those tokens via an airdrop though, you will need to hold those tokens and send them back in case of the refund request. But if you trade any of your tokens at any time during the process, you will not be able to be refunded as there is always risk involved in crypto. So what is my price prediction for the Seedify SFUND token, as well as what is my overall belief in this project? Well, according to the chart, this has gone all the way as high as $16. And whether or not the demand for the SFUND token comes or not will largely depend on new projects launching, what the new projects are, as well as new money flowing into this market during a bull run. IGOs and INOs are some of the hottest things in new bull runs. I think that when the next one comes, Seedify is going to be the place to capture a lot of these cryptocurrency projects. And the reason I believe this is simply because of their past track record. In the last year alone, even in a bear market, Seedify has topped the charts with their IDOs, and according to their ROI tracker, you can see if you were to have been an investor into Hypercycle or games for a living, today at the current ROI of the IGO price, you would be up 800% on games for a living. You'd be up over 1,000%, which is over a 10x on your money, and many of these other projects are 500 or 600% from the IGO prices. And one of the biggest things that I look for whenever investing in any cryptocurrency projects is the community as well as the team. In my opinion, Seedify has one of the best, if not one of the biggest as well, communities of new IGO incubated cryptocurrency investors as well as gamers all in one. And they also have one of the best teams I have seen when it comes to doing these new cryptocurrency launchpad and incubated projects. In fact, they have just raised another $10 million from LDA Capital, showing that this project is not here for just the short-term games. In fact, they have been building all throughout this entire bear market, and not only building in their community, but also building and vetting some of the best cryptocurrency projects that we've seen launch in the bear market. So there you have it. There's your sponsored look at Seedify.fund, the SFUND token, and how IGOs and INOs work on their platform. If you have enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like on the way out, subscribe to the channel for new videos every single day at 7:30 Eastern Standard Time, and to join our community of over 3,500 cryptocurrency enthusiasts, click the links down below and join us in VIP as you can watch full tutorials on how to participate in new projects just like this. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next videos.